Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Check Java version and note the build. Once done, validate Java home and path to ensure the runtime matches your target application. If multiple JDKs exist, temporarily remove or rename older installations to avoid conflicts. Next, gather crash logs like HS_AirPid*. Log and application SDDAIR. These provide immediate clues. Make sure to run the JVM with a minimal command line so you can reproduce the crash deterministically before changing settings. You now dive into the middle, more complex steps to diagnose and fix the JVM. Reproduce the issue while enabling logging and diagnostics. Use xlog, gc Roman 20, plus heap dump on out-of-memory error and attach a debugger if needed. Once reproducing, tune memory and garbage collector settings, modify XMS and XMX and metaspace parameters, and experiment with G1 versus parallel GC. Also inspect native libraries and agents for ABI mismatches, and simplify the class path to rule out duplicate classes or version conflicts. You finish by applying final fixes and verifying stability. Update the JVM or configuration, restart services, and run integration tests to confirm the problem is resolved. Make sure to keep backups of previous configs and JVM binaries so you can roll back quickly if needed. If the issue persists, enable verbose logs, collect heap and thread dumps under load, and narrow the reproducible case. Then file a concise bug report including JVM version, logs, heap dumps, and steps to reproduce so a developer or vendor can pick it up efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.